Hello everyone, I hope all of you are doing well and enjoying your life, and if not, even then you are learning lesson from life. Anyways, today's videos will address the fix for Windows loading error which occurs due to sudden shutdown, whether caused by power outage or unplug the power plug recovery. It looks like window didn't load currently, so you usually get two options here: see advanced repair option and number 2, restart my PC. Try clicking on restart my PC as it often solve logo related issues. If not, then we will go into the advanced repair options to fix it. So let's get started. See advanced repair option. Now in the advanced repair option you will find many options. We will go into the troubleshoot option. Remember, if none of the method work, you can click on reset this PC to repair Windows. This is the final solution that I am sharing with you first. Now let's look at more solutions that have a 99% chances of fixing your Windows without resetting it. Advanced option. Under advanced option, click on startup repair. This feature fixes loading errors during Windows startup. If this didn't work, let's move on to another step, which is command prompt. Using the command prompt, we will repair Windows and rebuild boot track to fix the problem. Here we will apply two commands first and see if there is an error. If there is, we will try to fix it using the command prompt. Follow the command mentioned in the description. So the first, dism /online /cleanup have an image /check health. Hit apply. If you are getting error here, now let's try to apply the second command, the same command, but at the end we will use /restore health and hit enter. So if you are facing again error as in my screen 87, so we will try to fix it first. If those commands are not working, like they are not for me and an error is still there, let's try another command, which is sfc scan now. This command takes some time and checks your boot track. If possible, it will fix the problem. As you can see, Windows Resource Protection found corrupted files and successfully repaired them. So this command has done half of our job. Now let's build a new boot track so that the Windows boot up without any glitch or bug. Boot track /rebuild bcd. This command will create a new boot log solving your problem. Sometimes your operating system builds a boot and until there is no error in it, your OS work on the same. Now we are making a new boot track, so hopefully without any issue the problem will be solved. If your Windows image is safe, it should work. Now close everything and restart your PC to check if the problem has been solved. This time, click on the continue button to restart your Windows. If your problem is still not solved after this, I mean it will be solved, but sometimes it won't. There is another solution. Again, go to the advanced option and this time click on system restore point. If you have created a restore point, you can simply go back to it, but again this option is an inbuilt Windows feature. Here's another solution. If nothing works, go to the startup settings, boot your PC in safe mode, and when Windows boot up, simply restart it and your problem will be solved. So this solution will fix your problem 100%. Lastly, you can reset your PC, which I share with you as the first option, and safe mode. From these two will 100% solve your problem. Again, all methods will work, but these two are the ultimate solution to the problem. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If yes, then please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tech support. As you know, I'm working on the content you suggest. So keep sharing your issues in the comment section. Have a good day. Bye bye.